haven't posted anything in a while. I've had a lot of IRL stuff going on that's just been keeping me preoccupied from making videos. And I just wanted to share that a little with you guys, be transparent and stuff, because I want to make videos and stuff, but it's just there was stuff for a little bit there that prohibited me from making videos. And in the beginning of the year, around January, I had we don't know what caused it. I think it happened at work, but I never like reported anything. Like I don't remember pulling anything, but my right hand started feeling numb and tingly, and like my grip strength was not what it used to be. Like it was hard for me to hold a pen and stuff and all that. So it got to the point where I was like, you know what, like enough is enough. Like this is bothering me at work and stuff. And I'm a forklift and crane operator, so I gotta have full strength for both my hands. And so I went to the doctor, and they were like, oh, that's not good. Like your muscle right between your thumb and your index finger, like where that webbing is right behind that, is atrophying, like it's disappearing. And I was like, well, what the heck causes that? And they're like, it could be some sort of nerve damage, yada, yada, yada. I had to go do like 4 tests. It was a whole big deal. I was out of work for like 3 months. Had to go to therapy to get it all sorted out and all that jazz. And then right after that happened, COVID started popping off. So past like 6-7 months have been pretty much a blur for me. And once I got back to work, I've just been working a lot of hours. Haven't really had too much free time to do anything. So I just wanted to update you guys on that. I do want to do more videos. You know, I've done a bunch of mods since the last videos that I've done. I have a new MA performance intake. I have equilibrium tuning stage 2, ECU, and TCU DSG tune. So I want to do videos on that, like reviews and overview of stuff like that. But for the rest of this video, I'm just going to do like a POV night drive. I'm testing out the settings on the GoPro and stuff, and I'll just throw some music behind it or whatever, and get you guys some nice turbo sound and some pops and bangs from the tune. So hope you guys enjoy. Let me know comments or suggestions, anything you guys would want to see about my stage 2 Mark 7 GTI, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Dealer always has the coolest cars sitting out front, I swear. We're gonna do windows down for the pops and bangs. Send it.